Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on this Freedom Friday? Oh yes, let's go. It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Check out my crypto projects. The link is in the description. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, real quick, we want to do an update on Stable Swap. Yes. We are climbing, as you can see here. Providers at the time of this video, this thing moves very quickly. Remember, I told you guys, I said 30 days, but wow, we're about to reach a major milestone here. The company's only been out a little under 3 months, a little under 3 months, almost at 1 million in liquidity, and we've got 1,167 providers. Oh yeah. Amazing. I would like to say this is my #1 crypto platform. Liquidity by the people, for the people, Stable Swap. So I want to talk about the promo that they've got going on, guys, starting today. It's an announcement that they made yesterday. Announcement: 9 days of good luck and fun. Stable Swap gives you the opportunity to boost the growth of your digital assets this year of the Wood Dragon. For 9 days, there will be random APRs for new long-term liquidity provisions for the 300-day term. Okay, be clear, pay attention. For the 300-day term, the random rate can last for a day or more, or for a few hours only. So what's the mechanics of this promo? The mechanics is starting today, February 9th at 2 p.m. to February 18th, 2 p.m. Philippines time. Okay, so gotta go check what Philippine time is. Rewards for new long-term 300-day liquidity provision would change randomly throughout the 9 days. All right, so what they're saying is at random times starting today at 2 p.m., they may throw out a promo and say, hey, for the next 2 hours, the rate is going to be 0.50. You got 2 hours to get in, or 2 days to get in. All right, well then from February 9th through the 18th, then they may come out tomorrow and say, hey, the rate is 0.60 for 1 day. Get in. Of course, you have to do a new liquidity pool and select the 300-day term. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's exciting because you never know what day or what time, what the rate is going to be. All right, so have your bags, your crypto on standby. All right, this is cool. All right, so let's keep going. This only applies for the new long term, so you got to go in and do a new term. Okay, the new long term 300-day liquidity. All right, all other liquidity provisions, medium and the short, will remain unchanged. It's not for those two. It's not for the 30-day. It's not for what's the other one? The 60-day or 120, whatever it is, we'll go over in a second. It's only for the 300-day, guys. All right, you get the best rate for the long-term plan. So grab this good opportunity to power up your good luck. Log into your Stable Swap account and start providing liquidity now. All right, so this is great. So let's take a look at those terms. It's only 3, so I think it's 30-day, 60, and 300, but we're going to look at it. But this is great. So let's see what I've got inside of my balance on my wallet right now in the platform. All right, go check this out though. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Let's log in. Let's see what we got. Let's go. All right. So guys, do you realize that's a little under $2,000? That's gonna happen any day now. All right, before they hit that million. That's just awesome. I'm excited because I'm in the beginning. This platform just came out November 2023. Danny D is one of the co-founders. He's hands-on. He's here for the long haul. He stated on the Zoom, was it Saturday? I listened to it. He said this is not a rug pull project, guys. All right, they don't trade crypto, they don't trade forex, any of that stuff. All right, this is awesome. So let's take a look. So we got 312.40 in here now. We've got 54 in our balance. I'm gonna let that ride until he throws out a promo. Okay, and then we'll go in there and we will add another liquidity pool. So if we go over here, this is what they're talking about. See, it's so the 60-day and the 120-day, the promo does not apply. Okay, let's be clear. Pay attention. The promo is not for the short term and it's not for the medium term. The promo is only going to be for the long term, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it's 0.35. So this is what they're saying. These are going to be random APRs. You never know at any point in time, starting at 2 p.m. They're going to post, so make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, get registered, be ready, stay ready, okay? Because in the Telegram group, he's going to post, hey, the rate is X amount. Go. You got this many hours or this many days that this particular APR is valid through. Okay, so you're gonna have to take action. All right, so this is amazing. So this is through for 9 days. Okay, let's talk about it again. It says the long-term liquidity from the 9th today through the 18th. All right, Philippine time. All right, so that's where we are with that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in there right now. So we will be adding another one. So I'm just going to stand by. I'm not going to withdraw. I could easily go here and withdraw. And I've actually placed a withdrawal before. So they work fine. No issues, no drama. I'm going to keep that there because I'm going to be waiting today to see what that APR is. What was it? Last week he had a promo and it was 0.45 for like 2 days. All right, I believe that's what it was, wasn't it? I think it was 0.45. So this is what I'm saying. These randoms are gonna just post and you're gonna have to take action to take advantage of it. All right, so this is great stuff. So right now, here are the terms as you see them right now. 60 days, they're paying 7 days a week, guys. You can withdraw any day. There's no specific day you have to withdraw any of that. The only thing is you have to have a minimum of 50 in your balance right here. See, it says right here, minimum 50. See, right here in one of these balances, in your USDT or your USDC. All right, so they've got 3 terms, and so 0.10% for 60 days, 7 days a week. You get your capital back at the end, by the way. Or 120 days, medium term, 0.2%, 7 days a week for 120 days. Or the long term, this is the one I selected because I earn more rewards, 0.35% per day. If you do that for 30 days, if it's 30 days in the month, guys, that's 10.5% a month. Conservative, but consistent and solid, because we're dealing with stable coins here. We're dealing with USDT and USDC only, so you don't have to worry about the fluctuation of your coin going up and down, right? So when we look at our Bitcoin and our wallets or wherever we have them, you can see it goes up and down, Ethereum and all the other ones, because it depends on the market, right? It's going to fluctuate. This is going to be stable. All right, so it's awesome. So yes, these rewards are awesome. Definitely go check this out. When I tell you I've attended these Zooms and I see what's going on here, this is going to be amazing. They're launching the next, they're in Philippines right now, and the people over there are already using these services, okay, where they can buy, sell crypto. They can switch out their pesos for crypto, sell it, send it to people that already have a stable swap account, set up, say one of their folks over there can set up a stable swap account, then they can do an internal transfer to them. Guys, this is awesome. And you see it's in the Philippines. They're working on India. They're getting all the proper licensing they need. This is legit. This is a real deal, okay, because they're offering services for folks to buy, sell crypto, okay, over the counter, okay, kind of like a Western Union type service. And of course, when folks do that, there are fees that go along with that. And because we actually park crypto in the liquidity pools, we're able to earn rewards. Okay, they share those rewards with us. Those fees, we're able to earn rewards if you get into the liquidity pool. All right, it's just that simple, no complicated. That's it. All right, but this is the real deal. I may have finally found a solid one here, something totally different, where the owner is hands-on. Okay, this is real. All right, so again, it's not sexy where people see it as a hype. Oh, they're not paying 1% a day, 2% a day, 3% a day. No, they're not. All right, and this is how this is going very, very well. Like I said, India is the next country they're working on. They've got the Philippines. Folks over there, it's already available. This is, let me tell you, okay? All right, so go check it out. That promo is going to kick in this afternoon. So stay tuned. Make sure you're plugged into the Telegram group. Again, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Get your account. Get registered. You can go ahead and park some crypto in there. Pick a liquidity pool. But that promo is going to kick in today. So I am on standby to go ahead and get me another term as soon as we find out what that promo is given today, the new APR. All right, so go check out Stable Swap. Link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Thank you so much for liking the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.